If you're new to dirt biking, and especially off-road, coming from a street bike, then you know that it can be hard to shift the gears up or down because it's hard to feel the shift lever, especially if you're standing, and if you have stiff boots, this makes it even harder. So what do? Well, for one, if you have brand new dirt biking boots, then it's important to break them in properly. And although dirt bike boots are supposed to be stiff to protect you, some of them can come really stiff from the factory, and you have to wear them, use them, flex them to kind of break them in, make them a little bit looser so it's easier to feel the shift lever. But I also want to show you proper riding position so that you can more easily shift up and down the gears on your dirt bike while sitting or standing. So if you have stiff boots, it can be hard to flex your ankle. So in order to get over that, sometimes you have to put your foot under the shift lever and then kind of pull your whole foot up if your ankle won't flex up and down. This will make it easier to shift up, and then you just got to tap it down with your whole foot to shift down. And then if you're standing, you want to be bending at the hips to be in the proper standing position, and then to more easily get your foot under the foot peg because your ankle can't bend as well. I like to sometimes shift my weight forward and then put my foot under the shift lever, lift it up, and then after I shift it, I kind of move my body back into the neutral standing position. It's all a fluid motion. So that's how you properly shift if you're new to riding, but you also need to learn when to shift and how to shift with combining it with the clutch and the throttle. And for that, you can check out my video here on shifting with or without the clutch and which is best. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.